Hi, honey. You ready for a video? Are you ready for a video?
My microphone. Are you taping?
Yeah. I'm in my taping. You're
Taping.
old.
God. Hey, you gonna put that on the reel to reel?
Oh my gosh. Are you taping? How embarrassing, Randy. I'm so
Taping.
embarrassed.
Let's go.
Look at Ace.
Come on.
He's been napping.
What's up, buddy? He was on the mountain this morning with
Oh, yeah.
me. Get him all fired up.
Well, where are we headed to?
We're going to the RJO. Come on.
I'm ready.
$15,000 house. Stop it. Listen. Every time I think about it,
It's crazy.
the only reason we haven't sold 1 million homes or 1,000 homes is because nobody knows what we're doing.
They don't know.
We got you all that are just amazing to us.
Yes.
They're spreading a little bit of word.
Yep.
$15,000 house, everybody.
Wow.
This is a full-blown home that you're going to live in. And the only reason is, like I said, if we were on a national platform, Amanda, I know it would go.
Oh, of course
You know?
it would go.
I feel very fortunate we've sold as many we have.
Yep.
We say sold, like I said, for some reason in this industry, we'll send out 400 contracts.
Yeah.
And only 25% will actually send money.
Yep, that's
And I don't know
right.
why people ask for a contract and say, I want to buy when I'm done, and then they never
Right.
buy. Here, come over here. You
Well,
all right?
Yeah, I'm good here. Yeah.
We just had a torrential rain.
We
here.
did have a torrential rain. Hey, one of the things I want you to bring up while we're walking here
Yeah.
is that the organization is really getting really nice
Yeah.
around here.
So this is the one thing that I did not see when I went to Boxable when I was out in Nevada.
Yes.
I didn't see any raw materials laying around anywhere.
Yeah.
I mean, we're pumping out 3-4 homes a day.
Yes.
And then this is the stockpile that we're doing for the RJO.
Yeah.
We need 10 tractor trailer loads of raw material just to build the homes.
Yeah.
And then we need this is just really to fulfill the orders that we have right now.
Yes.
By the end of September.
Wow.
We need all these panels. So
Yep.
every one of these panels will physically be touched, groomed, routed, and sent in physically. I mean, every one of them.
Every one of them will be touched.
Yeah, there's 1,452 panels per
There's
truckload.
our extra tires right there.
So I didn't see any of this when I went to Boxable. They
No.
may have another off-site warehouse, whatever
Right.
they're doing. But I'm like, God, how in the world do you guys keep track of what do you do with all your raw materials just to build?
Yes, to
I mean,
build.
this is not even, we got lumber
Here, Ace.
on the other side of these, you know?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, and so we're ordering, now you know these panels, come October, the number of them, the production goes down, and so then it slows down from October till January.
Yep.
And then the economy actually does it. I've mentioned this before. The economy goes down. They don't build doors, so we can't get them.
Right.
We told the company, you send us everything you got.
Everything. Yep,
Yeah.
exactly. We're kind of like squirrels, and we're storing our nuts for the winter. Is that kind of how we're doing? It's what you have to do to prepare. Come on, Ace.
We said we would build 100 the month of October.
Good boy. Yep.
We're already gearing up, thinking about how we're going to produce these things, how we can pre-build some of the walls, the floors, the roof systems, so we can assemble them. Everybody's getting fired up about it.
One of the things I want to show
There it
too, there's our guys. I love these two guys right here. See them every morning, all the time. Look at them. And then James starts cranking through the day. He starts dancing, starts singing.
It takes James till 10
Hey,
a.m. to
how
wake
are
up.
you? Hi, wave at everybody.
Hey.
Hi, yeah. Hi, Candace. Hi, Stephen. Let's get a picture. Say hi from Michigan.
No
There
way.
you go.
Sterling Heights.
Sterling. I'm from downriver, Flat Rock. How are you?
Downriver.
I'm just from Nashville. Don't pay any
There you
attention.
go. That's how it
Yeah,
works. Yeah.
You are like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, you're sweet.
Aw.
Man.
Don't stop doing what you're doing.
Oh.
I'm serious.
Ace.
I heard.
Ace,
and
come
when
here.
Amanda started crying this morning, I'm like, oh, will you stop? I'm trying to drive to get up there for you.
I couldn't talk.
I know. I could tell.
I got
could
choked
tell.
up bad. I was like,
I'm planning
"Ugh."
on getting him. I've just got to get all my ducks in a row. I've talked
Yeah.
to Tim.
Yes.
Yeah. I love it.
Aw.
Don't stop.
You're a sweetheart.
Just remember, I told him, I said, they didn't like Jesus either. So I'm not saying that you're Jesus at all, but
Yeah.
I'm just saying you're doing good.
Yeah, I understand.
You're doing good.
Is that not
Thank
something?
You're doing good for people. This will change
Ain't
my
that
life.
something?
Third person today, Randy.
I'm just saying. Well, there was a message from God. That's why.
That's what they said. They both said that, and now
really,
you're
he's
saying
like
it.
my kindred spirit. Because every time I'm like, don't you? Because I'm a retired teacher.
Aw.
Ace, that's
There's Ace!
Come here,
Look
Ace.
at her. Say hi!
Aw. Come up here. Come up here. Look.
Look at that picture of you, Ace. See, that's the only dog I'll let splash me like that.
Aw, he's a sweetheart. Good boy.
But seriously,
you.
don't.
You mind if I take a picture?
Yeah, can
Let
I
me
take a
hug.
picture
I
with you?
want to hug.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
But I want your cottage and
Give you a hug.
cottage.
Hi, how
Okay.
are you?
Yeah, the cottage is in there.
Yeah.
We'll take you
Coach
in.
Hey, how are you? How are you? Oh gosh, it's
You're the
it's-
cute one.
That's right. Where do you want a picture at? What do you?
Oh, we're,
You want a picture? You said.
yes.
Yeah.
Will you all share it with us?
Oh, yeah.
Send it to us. Come here, Randy. Come over
What are we
here.
doing? You're taking a picture here.
Come here, James. Get over here, James.
Come here, James.
Come here, James. Get
Yeah,
over here.
Hold the camera.
James, get over here. Get James over here too.
You want him to use your camera?
Sure.
Okay.
Are we videoing? What are we doing?
No, James, you
Here,
get
I'll get on this side.
Okay. Well, slide. Amanda, you gotta get in the. Oh, okay. There we go.
Look
Yeah.
at Ace.
Man, that's a portrait right there. Show me the money.
Yes.
There you go.
That good? Then we can use.
Look at Ace in the back. I mean,
Look at Ace right here. Look.
I was just saying, Amanda, Randy's
You want your phone? Yeah.
Amanda, Randy's getting fresh.
I know. Here it is. Hey, I'll take the blame.
Oh, how
Or if we could
cute.
do one more.
You ready? Come here, Ace. Ace, come here. Get your face up here. Come here.
Come on, you can
There you go.
Come here, buddy.
There he goes. Come on, buddy. And bingo. Nice. Good one.
Yay!
No, I gotta do a selfie with you too. Oh, okay. You want this? Hey, hey.
Look at it. Look at her, Ace. Look. Look at Ace.
So my granddaughters
Ace,
can get
Ace.
jealous.
Ace.
Ace.
Ace, look here.
Hey.
You want some on my cats up here?
Hey. Hey. Okay.
Do y'all care?
No.
I just started
Aw.
doing my tiny home journey.
Yay,
on YouTube.
good.
Do you care
Yes.
if I put some of my pictures on that?
Absolutely not.
Okay,
No, put it on
okay,
there.
okay.
Oh my gosh.
trying
What is
to-
your name?
I'm Terry.
Terry?
Yep.
Cassandra.
Cassandra. Terry and
Yeah, I'm coming from
Cassandra.
Nashville. And so this has
So
to
you're
be
a
a
Tennessee
God-
girl.
Yeah, I'm Tennessee.
Tennessee girl. Yeah. No offense.
Hey,
None to-
my son and daughter-in-law might be moving this direction too.
Yay,
and
good.
grandbaby.
Nice.
Yes.
They're expecting.
Good.
Yes. There you go.
Hey,
Aw.
this might be a sign.
There you go. That's
Found that
right.
out. Yeah.
Thanks for coming by.
Thank you for coming by. I'm glad we
Goodness.
met here at the right time.
I know, right? Well,
Yeah.
I told him, I said, here's a message for Randy. Tell him, don't give up. He said, why don't you tell him yourself? I'm like,
That's awesome.
There's
Good
no giving
deal.
up,
Thank you
that's
so
for
much.
sure.
So nice
You
to meet you.
You too.
Dave, you oh here. Look, I took Dave. Look, there's Dave. Thank you, Dave. Dave don't want on the camera.
like, I gotta stop.
Enjoy your tour. The cottage is in the Thunderdome.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Exactly.
They're painting
Yeah,
it.
we got
And there's the
going
Woody.
to-
There's the Woody,
There was
Randy.
stuff in
It's
there.
right there.
Yeah, and there's the Woody.
The Woody's right up there.
Woody, too.
That's
Awesome.
right.
That one
We've
is
been working
nice.
before y'all got
Okay, all right.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
What a nice surprise was
Gosh.
that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you put something down? No, James did. He put something down. Okay, you had your fruit.
Peek in there.
Can we come in here?
Peek in there.
Look at the hair.
Queen platform bed installed.
Ooh,
Nice.
nice.
Man, that's a queen, isn't it?
Yep.
It lifts. Does it lift up or no? It's just no. It's got the
just-
drawers.
The drawers. Yep.
It raises the mattress. You know,
Yes.
it's like a-
Nice. Oh, good job,
Beautiful.
guys.
Like, that's
Awesome.
awesome for a 20-footer.
Yeah.
And there's the $15,000 home right
There
here.
it is, right there.
And just to make sure, the bay window and the mini split is an extra item for this $15,000 home.
Yep.
If you want the bay window and the mini split, we're knocking $200 off. If you combine them together, it's an even $5,000.
Wow.
Because the mini split's 27 and 25 is 52. We're selling them for $5. So you can get this house right here for 20. If you don't want the bay window or the mini split, it's $15,000.
$15,000. How many days we got
They got a
left?
full kitchen, full bathroom. You can live in it. You don't ever have to even paint it if you don't want to.
Man.
Ace, what are you eating, buddy?
It's aluminum foil. Get that.
Ace,
Ace.
what you got?
That's ugly.
Stop.
Don't eat that. Oh. Look.
You didn't get that, did you?
I mean, gross. Ace. Oh, gosh. What a mess. We're trying to do a video.
Well, you don't have to film everything.
He was going to swallow that aluminum foil.
So this here, this RJO
Yep.
has solar also. Now we put panels. We got 4 panels, 2 on each side. It's $7,500. 2,000 watt lithium battery, charge controller, a 5,000 watt charge controller, which is a step up of our older one, 3,000.
Yeah.
4 panels. It's got a cabinet, wired, installed, ready to go, and it'll run your mini split. Now you can get more batteries, and you know what, Amanda? This is what most people are doing because the house is 15 grand.
$15,000.
They're throwing the amenities on. You can still
I know.
think about this. This one here with solar, bay window, and a mini split, $27,500.
Good grief.
Oh. Yeah,
I
so
know.
it's a great price.
I know.
All right, so we've got till the 27th. Today is the 20th.
Okay.
This is my son's birthday out in
It
Colorado.
is your son's birthday.
We got 7 more days to do this. We're trying to get to 100. All these homes will be built in October. All right, we're going to shut the plant down. We're getting ready. All the homes we have on our books right now will be built.
And please say that again. A couple of comments on YouTube saying, what about the homes that are already that are coming down
was
the
just
pike?
telling that.
Yes.
All the homes that are on our books right now will be built. right?
Yes.
Now, if you bought a home yesterday, which is July 18th or 19th,
Right.
those homes, and they've been told, will be built in November on.
After the
Right? So,
$15,000
any of
homes.
these RJOs is only through the month of October.
Yes.
So, if we reach 100,
Yes.
I don't know. If we reach 100, we may extend it another 15 days, but the only problem is we will build those 100 probably in the month of January.
Yes.
All right, so we'll be November, December on our regular Incrediboxes
Yeah.
and our cottages will be built. Then we'll take January.
Good.
We're just kind of see what the market is going on here.
Sure.
But guys, everybody listen, we can only do this a couple times a year.
Yep.
Here's a $15,000 house. I'm doing this because I want national notoriety. I want the world to know what we're doing. I want to know why we're not on Good Morning America.
That's
I
right.
want to know $15,000 house. You go to LA right now and I bet you any money the homeless homes that they're building is costing more than $15,000
I know.
and this is twice the size.
Yep, that's
and
right.
you can pick it up and move it later on. It's not on a permanent foundation. And anyway, I could go on and on. Everybody give us a call at info@incredibletinyhomes.com, sales@incredibletinyhomes.com, or call us at 423-438-0111 for an RJO $15,000 house. See you, bye. Ace, you can't eat that anymore, buddy. Come here.